Hey guys, so I am doing this video, because I wanted to show you guys the new location where my collection is gonna be. Um, so I got this container, that's pretty big. So I'm gonna be adding some more fire alarms later. And in fact, I am getting new ones very soon from my school that is doing a fire alarm upgrade. So I will be doing a video of unboxing those devices. But in the meantime, I just wanted to give you some close up things that I have here. This is a system sensor 5603 fixed heat detector. So this is a one-time use. Hold on, let me focus the camera. So, oh, that's bad. Hold on, guys. Forget about that, but it's a fixed heat detector. Oh, there it goes. Hold on. Yeah, right there. There's the info. And I got a system sensor S11224 MC remote strobe. So it's just a strobe, and there's your brightness settings. This is where you can set the maximum brightness. I got my notifier BMG1, so you can see. Yeah, so and this got in the original button broke, so I replaced it with another one that I bought from a hardware store. So that's good. I'm gonna be using this again. This is my Simplex 2099. Hold on. I'm gonna open it up because I cannot remember the model number. Yeah, so this is a 9754 conventional T-bar pull station. So yeah, and its original button broke, so again I replaced it with another one from the same hardware store. So I'll be using this again. Alright, so I'm not gonna be making a fire alarm collection review video at this time, and I am gonna try to get some videos out for you guys, even though I am not gonna be active as often as much as I am right now, because I have sports and some other stuff that I have to do. So I hope that you guys un- understand this, and I will be coming back soon. After my season is over, so you could expect more content um later on. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a like. You could say something in the comments that you feel like I should improve on, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.